Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon and cream cheese stuffed chicken. Alright, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that I left warm up at room temperature so it's easier to work with. Now to this I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm just eyeballing that. Careful not to use garlic salt because that'll be too salty. I'm going to add in a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. That's about a cup. And I have about 8 slices of bacon. I crisped up in the oven and I crumbled up. That's going to go in. Get rid of that plate, I don't need it. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this all blended together. And it's important to let your cream cheese warm up because if you do this cold, it's not going to work so well for you. And I might have to get a more durable utensil because this one's kind of flimsy. Just put that to the side. You could also use your electric mixer to do this if you like. That would be about the easiest way to go. Alright, now that I have this all mixed up, I'm going to set it aside for just now. Alright, I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast here, and I'm just going to trim off the undesirable pieces. If you don't mind that, you can leave them on or eat them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this chicken and I'm going to cut it in half, but not all the way through because we want to open this up to stuff it. So, should be able to open up about like that, like a butterfly. Now I'm going to do one on camera and I'll do the rest off of camera to save time. I'm going to take some of my mixture, get it in there. We're going to fold our chicken over like so. Get a little bit in this end here. I'm going to go ahead and stuff all them real quick. Alright, now that I have my chicken all stuffed, I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of olive oil. You could also use a cooking spray. And if you wanted to, you could dip this in an egg and season breadcrumb and batter it if you want. But I'm not going to do that today. And I'm going to use some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. If you don't have any of this, just a little salt, pepper, garlic powder. And I'm going to sprinkle that generously on top of the chicken. Now I'm going to put this in a 400 degree oven for 30 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Alright, my chicken just came out of the oven. I left it go for a half hour. It's at 165. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some cornbread stuffing and garlic butter peas to go with this. Let me get in here and try a piece of this chicken. You can see the stuffing's just oozing out of it. Get a little bit of that cream cheese and bacon stuffing in there. That's really delicious, guys. It's creamy, well seasoned. You get bacon flavor, you get that mozzarella cheese, that seasoning on top. The chicken's moist and tender. Really delicious. Bacon and cream cheese stuffed chicken. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.